course of days like corona virus pandemic disorder, there is a huge expectation from the people regarding the treatment as well as the preventive care from Ayurveda. That is why people are going in search of a lot of Ayurvedic drugs and medicaments, and hence the one important medicine which is very importantly used to prevent the various infectious disorders would be Bhumi Amalaki, or it is also called as Phyllanthus niriri. It is also one of the variety of plant which is used incredibly in most of the infectious diseases. Ayurveda explains detailedly about different drugs which are used in such of the infectious disease, and one amongst the drug would be Phyllanthus niriri, or it is also called as Bhumi Amalaki. Most commonly found during the rainy seasons across the coastal areas of India. It is a very short variety of a plant which has very tiny leaves, so it is also called as Bahupatri, and it also produces n number of fruits which are present beneath the leaves or leaflets. This has a huge amount of medicinal properties, and very important property is antiviral. That is why these days Bhumi Amalaki or Phyllanthus niriri has become so famous in preventing various viral disorders. Apart from being antiviral, it also has huge number of other important medicinal properties. It is also used to break the stones, either renal stones or other important stones. Therefore, it is also called as stone breaker. It is used in preventing and curing a lot of disorders related to jaundice, especially viral hepatitis. Whichever variety of hepatitis it could be, it is widely used in treating through Ayurveda. And it is also used in many cases whenever you need diuretic effect. It is having a property of taking off all the toxins from the liver as well as the spleen. Therefore, most of the infectious disorders like malaria and typhoid, generally Ayurvedic medicines contain this as one of the ingredient in most of the drugs. So friends, let us see what are the other important medicinal properties as well as the medicinal usage and different home remedies which can be done through this Bhumi Amalaki. Friends, this is called as Bhumi Amalaki or Phyllanthus niriri, which will grow as a very small plant. It is a variety of shrub. You can see there are a lot of leaves. Each leaf is having leaflets. And to identify this plant, you have to see large number of small fruits or which are present beneath the leaflets. This is one of the identification point of Bhumi Amalaki. As such, the whole plant is used for different medicinal properties. The first, foremost and the most important property is antiviral property. That is why it is used in preventing most of the infectious diseases, especially all the contagious diseases like typhoid, malaria and different important fevers. This plant is generally used. The whole plant, that is including the root, shoot, leaves as well as the fruits are completely used. The swarasa or the fresh extract or the kashaya prepared out of these leaves are widely used for preventing the various viral infections. Second thing is, it is a very important drug in order to remove the toxins from the liver, spleen as well as the kidney. It is also having a property of taking the toxins and also has a diuretic effect. So therefore, it is used in preventing these disorders, and most of the jaundice which is produced because of viral infections, it has been widely being used. The third important property is it is having kashaya and tikta rasa. That is, it is having astringent taste. Therefore, it is used in healing different wounds, or it can also prevent mainly the bleeding disorders. Any conditions where you have a bleeding tendency either from nose, ears or even piles or excess of menstrual cycle, the fresh extract of these juices can also prevent these excess bleeding. The other important use is it is also used as a laxative. When you are using the fresh juice or the whole plant extract in about 15 or 20 ml early morning in the empty stomach, it can also be as a laxative. Therefore, it can prevent the constipation. Apart from this, it also has a property of purifying the blood. Therefore, in most of the skin disorders, to prevent and cure the skin disorders, it has been used. Since it is having an astringent taste, it can also heal the wounds which are present over the skin. Hence, wherever you have eczema or any other kind of skin disorders, these paste of the fresh Phyllanthus neruri leaves are being triturated and the fresh paste is applied over the skin, and that can heal even the skin disorders. So in this way, Phyllanthus neruri or Bhumi Amalaki is an excellent remedy to prevent most of the infectious diseases and also to heal the different wounds and purify the blood. But one of the caution about this plant is when it is excessively used, it can also lead to certain complications. When it is used more than the required quantity, it can also lead to the over laxation, that is, it may lead to a dysentery or increased bowel movements. Hence, go according to the physician's prescription and do consider this according to the physician's consideration so that you can get all the important medicinal properties. So, I hope this information is very useful. So, do watch our Health Vision and subscribe, share amongst your friends. Thank you.